I've been working on the burger for nearly 2 decades now. The burger for me is a comfort food. It's just something that I enjoy eating. If I make a burger for myself, I'm looking for it to be simple but complex. And I'm really trying to just focus on that it tastes really good. It has good texture. It has a good balance between savory and sweet. And that within that first split second, I'm like, wow, that is awesome. I like a burger that is very simple but tastes incredibly good without any type of seasonings. Anything you can think of, I've tried it. For the lean to fat ratio, the lean part, I like to use chuck, which is the shoulder part of the cow, and sirloin. Just feel like it gives a very deep, beefy flavor. And then the fatty part, short rib. And short rib just makes it like divine. You can put a lot of different things on a burger, but in my opinion, less is more. You definitely want to have 2 or 3 components that balance each other out very well, and I guess would be an accent on the patty. I always try to use what I can local, and sweet potato is very important in southern Portugal. Our baker actually boils the potatoes, mashes them, and puts them into the flour mixture. I lightly butter the bun, and when I pull it off the grill, when I give it a smell, it smells like grilled cheese. It's absolutely perfect. You want to place the burger on the grill at room temperature. The reason for that being is that it's going to cook the burger evenly and to the temperature that you desire. Let it caramelize, let the juices do their thing. Don't touch it, don't move it. Cheddar cheese all day. I'm putting the cheese on the burger, covering it, and adding just a little bit of water to create steam. Melted cheese is the 3rd most important component on a burger. It's going to provide a creamy component, and it's going to solidify everything together. When I build a burger and I'm thinking about the sauces that I'm going to put on the burger, I'm looking for a combination of salty, savory, and then I'm also looking for an acidic component to kind of balance everything out, cut through the heaviness of the burger itself. I'm almost embarrassed to probably admit how many burgers I eat, but I guess I just really love eating burgers, and the satisfaction I get from watching people eating these really awesome burgers.